Hey guys, Francis here with TheBrimFactor again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to crunch a video file size down by like 50% or up to 90%. We're going to do this using a very simple tool known as Handbrake. Now let's dive right into it. What you want to do is go to this website handbrake.fr and you just simply download the software and install it. I've already downloaded this and it's already installed on my PC. Been using it for quite a while again. I'm just going to pull up Handbrake. This is what the software looks like. You just drag and drop your file into the software. So this is the video that we are going to check out today. It's 1 point something gigabytes of size and we're going to try to crunch it down to as much as we can. So this is the quality of the video. You can see what it looks like without just the original file size and everything. So when we crunch it down, we're going to see how much of the quality is lost and all of that. So let's drag it into Handbrake right now and drop it in. Once you have dropped it into Handbrake, you only want to pay attention to two things. This right panel here, where you can decide if you want to change the resolution of your video or leave it like it is. Maybe you want to leave it at 1080p or reduce it to something like 720p. I don't know why you want to do that, but yeah. But basically, it's best to leave it at the resolution that the original video actually is. So this is a 1080p, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And then the next thing that you want to do is go to the video tab and reduce the constant quality, or rather increase the constant quality. It does go left, but it's increasing it to 25. I find that 25 is the sweet spot and it will reduce the file size when you leave it at 25 without actually messing with the quality. With all of that done, I think that's about it. So the next thing is to select the location, or you can leave it as default, or select the location where you want your videos to be exported to. So I want this particular video to come in here, so I'm just going to select that location and then start to encode. So it has started to encode, as you can see right here. This is a 1 gig file, keep in mind. I'm going to keep count of how long this takes to render out. And now the video is done rendering. I said that it took 2 minutes to render this file out. So now for the moment of truth, let's check out our result. Here is our original file. It's 1 gig again. And now we have a file that is 42.6 megabytes. That's about, I don't know if my math is right, but somewhere around a 90% plus or 95% reduction in size. And let's check what it looks like. It plays and you can see that the quality did not suffer that much. Let me move to the left, and this is the original video. This is the video we have at the end of the day. There may be some loss in quality, but not enough to make this a deal breaker. Considering the level of reduction we've gotten, especially if you're not using this for some professional purpose, maybe you're just reducing the file size to send it off to somebody, you're not actually using it for something professional, then this is pretty decent. Yes, this have a little bit more detail, but with all of that crunching down, some reduction in quality should be expected, but it's not much to be a deal breaker really. And if you think that it's too much as well, what you can do is do the process again, but don't take it all the way down to 25. You can do 23 or 24. You get a larger file, but you are still going to get something that is reduced compared to the original file size. So there guys, that's how to reduce the video file size without losing the quality. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you get notified when we post new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.